4 months, but I'm happy to say that today is the day I get to put my lift and my wheels on. So I've had the wheels, so I got true 33s. I went up to 17s. I've had those at the shop for about a month now, maybe a little bit less. But now my lift has actually showed up. I got the Bilstein with the old man Emu springs. Should be a 2.5 to 3 inch lift. On my way now to go pick up the Bilstein lift kit from UPS. I told them I'll go pick it up in the morning, but I got a text this morning saying your truck is out for delivery, so who knows. And there's a UPS truck right there. I should be like, hey, you got my lift or not? Because I don't want to drive all the way down here for nothing. But yeah, so I'm gonna show everything about us taking it apart, putting it together. I got the SPC upper control arms. Then I gotta find a place to get an alignment at, because I am doing my lower control arms as well. So it's just one thing after another, but I'm excited to finally get this done. My bumper I'm still waiting on. They said they were gonna ship it out on Monday, Tuesday at the latest. I haven't got a confirmation, so I don't know about that, but hopefully that comes in soon. But yeah, let's get this video started, guys. Alrighty guys, there it is. Woo! I'm gonna get this lift on. Let's go. I'll give you guys a full walk around now. But Bilstein right there. Old man Emu. The poke is perfect, I think. Big difference. See, the poke's about an inch out, half an inch. Definitely gotta jump in it now, but I got the hybrid venom tires. I heard some good reviews on those. The wheels, I freaking love that finish. I've always been a fan of bronze, but soon the bumper will be here and it'll look legit. But the only thing I'm having an issue with right now is it's pretty bouncy. When I go over a bump, like, it's really bouncy. It feels like I'm on coils if I was in a lowered car. So if any of you guys have suggestions on that, appreciate it. I might have to lower it down because, as you can see, where the clip goes, we went all the way up. So to give it that 3-inch full lift, they had it all the way here from when I got it from Yoda Mafia, but I went all the way up. Might have to go down one, to be honest. But hopefully not. Maybe I just need to be broken in. I'm not exactly sure. There's a SPC adjustable upper control arms. Super close to the tire hitting, but nope, we good. And there's a Total Chaos differential drop kit right there. Other than that, I mean, everything's good. So, hope you guys like the build, what I'm doing to it. It's been fun. Alright, I'm out.